March 17th. Airport notes. SEA. Periodic showers and persistent low ceilings keep MVFR common with brief IFR, requiring careful arrival spacing. SFO. Marine layer stratus holds IFR to low MVFR through the morning with March 17th. A broad, progressive trough is driving multiple operational concerns today, with the most impactful weather stretched from the Central Plains into the Midwest and Great Lakes, while secondary impacts include mountain turbulence in the west and low ceilings along portions of the East Coast. The primary takeaway is a corridor of active weather and wind shifts affecting major inland hubs through the day. Starting in the west, a weakening but still active upper trough continues to translate inland, keeping the Pacific Northwest and northern Rockies under scattered precipitation with embedded mountain obscuration and light icing in the higher terrain, while tighter height gradients support moderate turbulence downwind of the Cascades and northern Rockies, especially into Idaho and western Montana. Across California and the desert Southwest, subsidence behind the trough is bringing improving conditions, though localized gusty winds persist through passes and typical terrain channels. Moving into the central Rockies and High Plains, Lee cyclogenesis is underway with strengthening westerly flow aloft producing mountain wave activity and moderate turbulence from Denver south into New Mexico, while surface pressure falls east of the Front Range are tightening gradients into western Kansas and eastern Colorado. The main operational focus shifts into the plains and Midwest, where a developing surface low and attendant frontal structure are organizing a band of showers and embedded thunderstorms from North Texas through Oklahoma into Missouri and Illinois, with ceilings lowering into MVFR and IFR at times around Dallas-Fort Worth, Kansas City, and Chicago, as warm advection and moisture transport increase ahead of the boundary. Expect gusty south to southwest winds ahead of the front, with a sharp shift to west or northwest behind it, creating crosswind considerations and mechanical turbulence on descent into major hubs. Further north into the upper Midwest and Great Lakes, colder air wrapping around the system supports a transition to mixed precipitation and light snow, particularly into Wisconsin and Michigan, with reduced visibilities and localized desing concerns. Across the Ohio Valley into the northeast, the system weakens but still delivers widespread cloud cover, areas of light rain, and persistent MVFR ceilings from Pittsburgh through New York and Boston, with onshore flow reinforcing low-level moisture along the coastal terminals. Finally, across the southeastern Gulf Coast, a more stable air mass dominates, though lingering low-level moisture supports patchy morning fog and low ceilings across parts of Florida and the coastal southeast, gradually lifting with daytime mixing, while generally light winds prevail outside of localized sea breeze influences. That's the National Aviation weather picture for today. If this briefing helps your flight planning, consider subscribing for the daily operational outlook. Have the best flight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Improvement though, approaches may remain constrained early. LAX. Morning IFR. Stratus lifts to VFR, but expect localized wind shear and mechanical turbulence near coastal gaps. DEN. Predominantly VFR, though mountain wave activity and gusty winds increase turbulence risk on descent and departure corridors. SLC. Variable ceilings with nearby snow showers and terrain obscuration, plus moderate turbulence in surrounding airspace.